Good morning, students. As you all can see over here, uh, it is exercise 1D. Find each of the following products. Okay, and last time I had said you that I had seen all the solutions. Okay, so and last time I had not been able to see that and not explain, so I will be explaining you today. Okay, students, if you will see, here is the solutions. I will make it little bit smaller so that you can watch it properly. Okay, I hope all of you can watch this properly. These are the law which I had already explained you, rules. Here it is question number 1 which I had explained. Numerator it is multiplied, and numerator denominator it is multiplied. In same way, if you will see over here, okay, next questions, question number 2, if you can see over here, okay. So in this question number 2, it is verification. You have to verify that whether this given term are equal or not. If you will see question number 2 over here, LHS is what? 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 7. And RHS is minus 5 by 9 into 3 by 7. So we will be solving LHS and RHS. In same way, 4 number question also I had explained, minus 8 into minus 13 by 12 and minus 30 is equal to minus 13 by 12 into minus 8. Actually, all the questions over here explains commutative law, and that has been explained over here. 1 and 4 both number question you can see. At first LHS has been solved. 3 into 7, 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 9, then 3 into minus 5 is minus 15, and 9 into 7 is 63. So what happens? 5 3s are 15, that is minus 5, and below with 3 I had reduced. So 3 into 2 6, and 3 1 is 3. So 21 into 3 becomes 63. So this becomes minus 5 by 21. If you will go in RHS, what will happen? Same was there, but minus 5 by 9 was earlier, so minus 5 by 9 into 3 by 7. Again, numerator it will be multiplied. Even you can reduce up and down. So I had reduced 3 3 is 9, and you can see minus 5 by 21. So in both way you can do. Either you can multiply the numerators and then you reduce, or before multiplying you can reduce and then multiply. From both the case, any one you can do. If you can see over here, in question number 4, okay, LHS it is minus 8 into minus 13 by 12. So if nothing below, that means there is 1, and up it will be multiplied, and up and down it will be reduced. You can see I had reduced that. 4 2 is 8 and 4 3 is 12, with 4 both has been divided. So minus 2 into minus 13, okay, sorry, here it has been done mistake, okay. Minus 2 into minus 13, it will become plus 26. Okay, students, what it will become? It will become plus 26. You will write whatever here, plus, not minus. It is mistake. That's why you have to listen, you have to watch PDF, and even you have to listen to the video also. There shouldn't be not minus, there should be plus. By mistake it has been written. Sometimes it occurs, it happens. So minus 13 into minus 8, here also minus it will be cancelled, and 4 2 is 8 and 4 3 is 12, and it will become how much? 26 by 3 only. There should be no minus. Okay, so don't write minus in your copy, simply you write 8 2 by 3. By mistake it has been done. Sometimes it happens. So if you will see question number 3 now, okay, so in question number 3 is what? In 3 number you can see question is 5 by 7 into 12 by 13. Okay, what you have to do? Verify each of the following. Okay, 5 by 7 into 12 by 13 into 7 by 18 is equal to 5 by 7 into 12 by 13 into 7 by 18. What is this? This is grouping order. Okay, writing the work in grouping order. Okay, here also we will be doing LHS first and then after RHS. So if you will see our here question number 3, first and last both I had done. So first question you can see LHS. At first bracket work will be done. First two has been grouped. So 5 to 12 is 60 and 13 7 is 91 I had written. Then I had reduced 7 13 is 91 with this one. And then after 6 3 is 18 and 16 is 60. So what happens? It becomes 10 by 39. 3 into 30, 39. If you see our here RHS is equal to what? 5 by 7 into 12 by 13 into 7 by 18 multiplied together. So what it will happen? 12 7 is 84. As you can see, I had reduced at first, then multiplied. 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18. So what happened? 7 2 is 14 and 13 3 is 39. So again it has been cancelled. 7 1 is 7 and 7 2 is 14. So 5 2 is 10 by 39. So in this way what happens? LHS is equal to RHS verified. If you will see question number 3, this is question number 3 in short I had made. You can see whatever here. LHS was what? Minus 9 by 5 into minus 10 by 3 into 21 by minus 4. Okay. So minus minus got cancelled. Okay. And then after 3 3 is 9 I had done. 5 2 is 10 I had done. So 3 into 2 it becomes 6. And what it was? 21 by minus 4. So again it has been done. 3 2 is 6 and 2 2 is 4. So minus 2 is over there. So 21 by minus 2 it will become how much? Sorry, 3 into 21 is 63. 63 by minus 2 becomes minus 63 by 2, because in a standard form minus is not written in denominator. So minus 63 by 2 it will become. And I had again changed it into mixed fraction by taking minus common. We had written by dividing 63 with 2 we get the quotient 31, so it is out, and remainder 1 up, and divisor is 2, so 2. So it becomes minus 31 whole 1 by 2. In same way, if you will see RHS, in RHS second and third term has been grouped together. So minus 9 by 5 into minus 10 by 3 into 21 by minus 4. And what happened? Minus 9 by 5 into 10 by 3 into 21 by 4. What I had done? Minus minus, it has been cancelled at first. And then after 2 to the 4 and 5 to the 10 is average. 3 7 is 21. So what happened? 5 4 is 20 by 2 will be there. Okay. So it will become minus 9 by 5 into 7 5 is 35 and 2. 35 by 2. So 5 7 is 35, 9 7 is 63 by 2. Again it becomes minus 63 by 2. So it becomes minus 31 1 by 2. This is how to do the work. Okay. Now you can see question number 4. What is there in question number 4? In question number 4, it has been said to write the property or to fill the gap. Okay, fill the gap it is. So minus 23 by 17 into 18 by 35 is equal to 18 by 35 into what? Minus 23 by 17. So what happens? It is commutative law. In order it has been changed, A into B is equal to B into A. So I have written commutative law. Okay. In same way, if you will see the next question here, it is also of commutative law only, and this third and fourth are of associative law of multiplication. Same thing, 1 and 4 I had written over here. Okay. And I had written in same way you will write 2 and 3 also. It's very easy. Now if you will see question number 5, what is there in question number 5? Okay, in question number 5 there is find the multiplicative inverse that is reciprocal of. Okay, you have to find the multiplicative inverse that is reciprocal of. Then how to write? Simply you make the numerator denominator and denominator numerator. If nothing below, that means 1. So minus 1, it will become what? 1 by minus 1 only, and that will become minus 1 only. So for minus 1, it will be minus 1. For 0 by 2, it will become infinitive. Okay. So you can see over here. So this is 4 number question, and then after 5 number question I had written the multiplicative inverse of 13 by 25 is equal to 25 by 13. In same way, if you will see, I had written this multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8 is minus 8 by 1, because minus is always at the top, so minus 8 it has been written. Okay, if you will see question number 6. Find the value of, we have to find the value of, inverse is there, 5 by 8 inverse is there. So what it happens, it becomes 8 by 5. Inverse and reciprocal is same. So you can see over here I had made question number 6. 5 by 8 inverse becomes 8 by 5. In same way, 1 by 3 minus 3 inverse becomes minus 3 by 1, that is minus 3. In same way, others can be also done. It's very easy. Now here I had made question number 8, if you will see. Okay, 8 number question is where name the property of multiplication is illustrated by the following statements. Here you have to write property. If 2, then it is associative. If it is multiplication of 3 terms, 3 fractional number, 3 rational number, so it is what? Associative property. Okay. If it is multiplied and the answer comes 1, that means what? Properties of inverse. Okay. Properties or existence of inverse, you can write. Properties of multiplication by 0, properties of multiplication by 1, or it is also said identity property of multiplication. So these all are the properties which you will be writing over here. 2 I had written over here, you can see in question number 8. That is what I had written. Minus 15 by 8 into minus 12 by 7 is equal to minus 12 by 7 into minus 15 by 8. It shows commutative property of multiplication of a rational number. In this way you have to write in whole big sentence. And in same way, minus 7 by 5 into 0 is equal to 0. It shows multiplicative property of 0 over rational numbers. Okay, so 0 property it is. Now I had shown 7 number earlier. Why I had not shown? Because in this it may not adjust. But if you will see over here, okay, in the same gap it has been adjusted. I'll be explaining you now. You can see over here. Yes, almost all solutions are being covered. Only notes I'll be explaining you. So let's see notes also, it is in book. So if you will see question number 7, it is verify, and it is verify of what? If you will see all 1 over here, it is distributive property of multiplication, and F4 number is also distributive property of multiplication. All are distributive property of multiplication. So if you will see, I had made 2 from question number 7 also. So if you will see question number 7 over here, what is here? In LHS it was 3 by 7 into 5 by 6 plus 12 by 13. What we have done, we have taken LCM of 13 and 6. They are co-prime, so they are multiplied. 78. 78 divided by 6, it becomes 13, and 13 into 5 is 65. In same way, 78 divided by 13 is 6, and 6 into 12 is 72. So when both will be added, how much it will become? 137 by 78 and 3 by 7. So what will happen? When we divide this 3 with 78, we will get 26. So it becomes 137 by 182. In same way, RHS it is 3 by 7 into 5 by 6 plus 3 by 7 into 12 by 13. What happens? 5 3s are 15 and 7 6 are 42. In same way, 3 12 are 36 and 13 7 are 91. We have taken the LCM. Of course, you can cut it over here itself, and you can make your LCM smaller. Like 3 5s are 15 and 14 3s are 42. I had not reduced. Without reducing, I had taken. Generally, you at first bring it in simple form, then take LCM. Okay. And I had taken LCM of 42 and 91, if you will see over here, it has been seen 7 6 are 42 and 7 13 are 91. So 13 into 6 into 7 becomes 13 6 are 91, and 91 into 7, you can see 7 1 is 7 and 9 7 are 63. You can see 13 6 are 78, and 78 into 7 it is. So 8 7 are 56 and carry 5, and again 7 7 are 49 and 5 54. So 546, 195 plus 216 is equal by 546. When it is added, it becomes how much? 411 by 546, and then after I had reduced. Here also you can reduce, and here I had reduced. That becomes 137 by 182. Here also you can see the same thing, 137 by 182. Here also 137 by 182. So LHS is equal to RHS verified. In this way you will be verifying what? Associative law of multiplication, distributive law of multiplication over addition. If you can see over here, so last fourth question of question number 7 was minus 16 by 7 into, in bracket it comes minus 8 by 9 plus minus 7 by 6. So it becomes minus 16 by 7 into, I had taken the LCM of 9 and 6, that is 18. 18 divided by 9, it is 2. 2 into minus 8 is how much? Minus 16. In same way, 18 divided by 6 is 3. 3 into minus 7 is minus 21. So what we did? Minus 16 by 7 into minus 37 by 9. So what happens? It becomes 8 to the 16 and 9 to the 18. And then after 8 into 7 you will do, 37 you will do, it will become 296 by 63, and I had changed it into mixed fraction by dividing it with 63. You will get 4 as quotient, 44 remainder, and 63 becomes division. In same way, I had done RHS. If you will see RHS, here it was multiplication first, then addition. So we had multiplied 16 8s are 128, minus minus it will become plus, 9 7s are 63. In same way, 16 7s are 112, minus minus it becomes plus, and 6 7s are 42. Now we have taken the LCM of 42 and 63. How much we got? 126. And when 126 divided by 63, it becomes how much? 2. And 2 into 128, 256. In same way, 126 divided by 42 is 3. 3 into 112 is 336. So when we add these two, it becomes 592 by 126. And when we reduce, then it becomes 296 by 63. This is same as this. Okay, and then we can convert it, that is 444 by 63. Hence, when LHS and RHS become same, you can write LHS is equal to RHS verified. Now division of rational number. This is, even in note I had said, after this all the questions are of same type. I hope all of you can solve that. Okay, if not, there may come the chances of not. So if it will be not, then what will we will be doing? Then we will be solving. I will be solving your doubt in online classes. Today is Friday. Tomorrow is also another online class. But on Monday from 10:30 a.m. to 11:05 a.m. there is your online class, 10:30 a.m. to 11:05 a.m. I will be sending you this homework link also, my user ID and password, by which you can attend that session. Okay, so this was all about 1D. After 1D, what is there? You can see here a note has been given. You can see here it is note. What is this? Division of a rational number. Okay, in division of a rational number, if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers such that c by d is not equal to 0, we define a by b, okay, divided by c by d is equal to a by b into d by c. what happens when the divide sign change into multiply? If you will see here, I written the same thing. When divide sign change into multiply, this numerator, the fraction which is after divide, their numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. Or you can say the fractions becomes reciprocal if divide is changed into multiply. So it will become AD by BC. Now A by B, here it is being divided by C by D. So A by B is divided by C by D, then A by B is called divided. C by D is called division. Okay. And if you will see here, the last one it has been not been seen. So you can see over here divided by C, then A by B is dividend, is called divisor. C by D divides, so it is called divisor, and the result is known as quotient. Result becomes what? Quotient. So this is all. After this, the text and next exercise. Okay. I will be explaining you tomorrow. I will be sending you one more video tomorrow. Why? Because in that video, because there is no what? Online classes for you for maths tomorrow also. So one video and PDF I will be sending you tomorrow, and in that I will be explaining what? Exercise 1E. This was exercise 1D. So before that I will be explaining its text, rules for the division, examples. This is all I will be explaining you next day. So students, it's your work. Whenever I am explaining the problem, okay, your work is what? Your work is to read the text before my explanation. When you will read the text, you will find where the difficulty is with you. And when you will know the difficulty, and then when again you will see my video or PDF, and then you will just again check your difficulty, then you may say, yes, my difficulty has been solved. If by watching my videos also and PDF, watching my video and PDF both, if your problem doesn't get solved, if your confusing thing, puzzling does not goes away, then there is again one more method. What is that? That is, you will be asking that problem with me during online classes. So students, when it will become online classes, you be with your books and copies, because I will be revising you your earlier taught things. Then after, again what we will be doing? Again I will be teaching you further from the taught chapters. I will be making your doubt. So this is how the class will be going during lockdown. So utilize this time. I am always saying in my video, utilize these times, make yourself better than previous. Okay. And you, when you will utilize time, when you will give more time to maths, maths will also give you more importance. You will be known by maths to the world. You know who are the person whose due to whose math they had became the big personality. Last time also I had said Pythagoras theorem is a bigger math personality. Okay. Pythagoras were the bigger math personality who got his royal life due to maths only. So it have a lot of directions where you can achieve your goal. In engineering, without math you will not be succeed. In different sector, even you are doing your own business, there requires math. Maths of finding profit and loss. maths of different things is there in everyday life, how to manage the time, that is also a type of maths only. So when you will not utilize the times now, what will happen? One day the time will leave you utilizing, there will be no value in the time. So students, it's my humble request to everyone, just copy all the same PDF videos and also example and write these all with questions and maintain the proper performa of the school as the school had said in your earlier years. In same way you will be writing. Till then, thank you. All of you take care at your home. Obey your parents at your home. Okay. Do not go out of your home. If the persons above than 60 years or less than 10 years goes out from home, then you just warn them and say that you all are not allowed. Okay. Thank you and be responsible at your home. Thank you very much. We will be explaining. I will be explaining more about this next exercise in my coming up videos. Till then, all of you, please take care of yourself. Thank you.